ano ba yung law firm nila Inday Sara Duterte na sinasabi ni BP Sara na tumayo bilang lawyer. Sara Mans never registered. Naku po, Diyos ko Lord. Law firm. Balita ho yan mga bossing ng GMA. Sara at Mans Carpio never registered law firm. PCIJ report baseless, says Duterte's daughter. Mga kababayan, the Carpio and Duterte lawyer entity which has Sara and husband Manasseh Mans R. Carpio, ano daw po? Our partners was born over 10 years ago but has not registered at all. Walang nakarehistro sa Security of Exchange Committee. So, paano nga ako mapapanindigan yun?